Hi class, for today's video, I will teach you how to find the domain and range of the given function. So without further ado, let's start. Number 1, the given is 4x minus y equals 3. So to find the domain, solve for y. So magiging negative y equals si 4x, lipat natin sa kabilang side, dadaan ng equal symbol, magiging negative 4x. And then copy plus 3. And to get rid of the negative sign, pwede natin i-divide or i-multiply by negative 1. Okay, so negative 1, divide natin by negative 1, or pwedeng multiply by negative 1. So negative divided by negative is positive. So this becomes positive y is equal to negative 4 over negative 1, that is equal to positive 4x. And then positive 3 over negative 1, that is equal to negative 3. Okay, since y is a polynomial, okay, kasi ayan o, 4x minus 3, so binomial siya, di ba? So since y is a polynomial, so therefore, ang domain natin ay all real numbers. Or in symbols, we can use set builder notation, x, such that x is an element of all real numbers. Or in words, all real numbers, since we don't have restrictions here. Okay, so para masolve naman natin yung range, solve for x naman yon. So we have 4x, copy the equation, equals 3. So solve natin to find the range, solve for x, okay, in terms of y. So magiging 4x is equal to y plus 3. And then, syempre, we have numerical coefficient for x. For a variable x, so we need to divide by 4. Yan. So, cancel. So, x ang natira. So, we have 1/4, tama? Okay. So, 1/4 y plus 3 over 4. Okay? So, in this case, since x is a polynomial, okay, ang range natin ay, wala naman tayong restrictions. Ang range natin ay y, such that y is an element of all real numbers. So, kahit anong value ni y ang isa-substitute natin dito, so, wala namang restriction. So, pwede maging value nun. Okay? Next, number 2. Erase ko lang. Number 2 is y is equal to x squared minus 4. Okay, so paano natin sinasolve to? So, since y is equal to x squared minus 4 is already expressed for y in terms of x, so, madedetermine na natin yung domain, no? Ang domain nito, guys, ay since wala naman restriction, so, pwedeng maging kahit anong value ni x ay pwede. So, x such that x is an element of all real numbers. Or in words, pwede naman all real numbers since we don't have restrictions here. And to solve for the range, ang gagawin natin dito, guys, copy muna natin, y is equal to x squared minus 4. Okay, so to find the range, solve for x in terms of y. So in this case, pwede nating i-transpose to. So negative x squared is equal to negative y. Okay, minus 4. So para mawala yung negative sign, pwede tayo mag-divide or mag-multiply by negative 1. Okay, so in this case, gusto ko mag-divide ng negative 1. So, ito ay magiging x squared is equal to, so magiging positive y plus 4, of course, no? Okay, so, para mawala naman yung exponent dito, ang gagawin natin, by extracting the square root, both sides, of course, hindi pwedeng dito lang. Yan. So, makakancel out to. Cancel out yan. So, x is equal to positive, negative, square root of y plus 4. Okay. So, magbe-base na tayo dito for our range. So, yung range natin dito, tignan natin yung resulting equation kung meron ba tayong restrictions o wala. Since we come up with radical, no? So, ang rule natin dyan, dapat wala tayong magiging negative numbers. Very good. Okay. So, tignan natin dito, guys, yung sa inside the radical natin, sa radical sign. Ang tawag yan ay radicand. So, dapat ito ay equate natin by 0. So, y plus 4, okay, is greater than or equal to 0. Sir, paano tayo nag-come up sa greater than or equal to 0? Kasi, guys, dito, kapag nag-come up tayo sa radical, so dapat hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng value ng negative. Okay? Or else, magiging imaginary, no? O, hindi natin mag-compute, no? Okay. So, ito ay ililipat natin si positive 4 sa kabila. So, this becomes y is greater than or equal to negative 4. Okay? So, meaning, ito na yung restrictions natin. So, y such that y is greater than or equal to negative 4. So, ito na yung range natin. Let's see. Kasi guys, tignan nyo. Kung negative 4 to, negative 4 plus 4, so 0. So, pwede pa rin, no? So, greater than negative 4. Hindi tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng less than dito. Let's say, negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4. That is equal to negative 1. So, imaginary. So, hindi po pwede, no? Okay, so, let's say, greater than or equal to negative 4, let's say, positive 5, no? 5 plus 4 it is equal to 9, right? So, square ng 9 ay 3. So, pwede, no? Pwede nating masolve. So, ito yung restrictions natin. Y such that y is greater than or equal to negative 4. Okay, gets? Next example tayo, number 3. Actually, number 3, katulad lang din yan ng number 2. Okay, solve natin, number 3. So, we have x squared plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so, to find the domain, solve for y. So, magiging ano to? X squared plus y equals 9. Si negative 9, ilipat na muna natin sa kabila. Okay? Yung constant term natin, lipat sa kabila, magiging positive 9. Kasi negative to. Okay, and then solve for, to find the domain, solve for y. So, y now is equal to, si negative x squared, si positive x squared, magiging negative x squared. Yan. So, ito na yung magiging resulting equation natin. So, y equals 9 minus x squared. Ang tawag natin dito ay, yung domain natin dito ay, what? X such that x is an element of all real numbers. Okay. Kasi, wala tayong restrictions kasi polynomial naman yung sagot natin dito, yung equation natin dito. So, any value of x, pwede siya, no? Walang restrictions. So, ito yung sagot natin for the domain. And now, to solve for the range, to find the range, solve for x. So, we have x squared plus y equals 9. So, ito yan guys. And then, ililipat naman natin si y sa kabila, no? So, ito ay magiging positive y, magiging negative y. Okay. So, to cancel out the exponent, we need to, by squaring both sides, okay, that's the term, magiging x na lang yan. And then, ito na siya, positive, negative, 9 minus y. So, in this case, guys, hanapin natin yung restrictions. Okay? Yung mga, or yung number na hindi po pwede. Okay? So, since nag-come up tayo sa radical sign, so dapat, ito ay must be greater than, or depende sa magiging situation, no? Okay. So, yung nasa loob, solve natin to guys. Ito ay magiging 9 minus y. So, sabi ko kanina, dapat greater than or equal to 0 yan. Hindi kasi pwede magkaroon ng negative. So, ito ay magiging negative y. And then, greater than or equal to, positive than magiging negative 9. Okay, so guys, dito, pwede tayo mag-divide or mag-multiply by negative 1 para ma-cancel out yung negative sign dito. Okay? So, since nag-divide tayo, as a rule, sa inequality natin, kapag tayo ay nag-divide ng negative number, so yung inequality symbol natin magiging positive. Mag-change tayo ng sign, not positive, sorry. Okay? So, magiging y is less than or equal to 9. Okay. So, ang restrictions natin ay ito. So, ang range natin ay dito ay y such that y is less than or equal to 9. Okay, sulat ko rito sa bandang gilid. So, ang restrictions natin ay y such that y is less than or equal to 9. Okay, so let's see. So, dito, kung i-allow natin dito ay 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, so pwede naman, no? Hindi lang pwedeng ang 10, no? 9 minus 10 equals negative 1. So, hindi yun po pwedeng maging negative. So, ganun lang kasimple, guys. Next, number 4. Kung meron kayong tanong, guys, pwede kayong mag-comment dyan sa natin, comment section. Okay, number 4. So, let's say we have 3x sorry, 3y pala to, no? So, 3y minus xy equals 2. So, guys, dito, to solve for the domain, solve for y, no? Solve for y. So, ang unang gagawin natin dito, guys, ay i-factor out natin to. Okay? So, we have Common monomial factor, of course, y. Then times 3 minus x equals 2. Sir, paano po naging ganito? Okay. So, dito guys, ito yung equation natin. Ang common dito ay y, right? So, by common monomial factoring, so y times 3 is 3y. Y times x is xy. Okay? Since negative yan, so minus dito. And then copy 2. And then, of course, i-divide natin by 3 minus x. Kasi sinusolve natin si y. Okay? So, 3 minus x. Yan. So, cancel out natin to. Cancel out. So, ang matitira ay y is equal to 2 all over 3 minus x. So, guys, dito, tignan natin yung resulting equation natin. Ano yung hindi po pwede or may restrictions ba tayo dito? So, meron tayong restrictions dito. Hindi natin i-allow yung x natin maging equal to positive 3, no? Okay? Kasi, kung magiging positive 3 to, guys, so 2 over 3 minus 3. So, 3 minus 3 equals 0. So, 2 over 0. So, magiging undefined siya, yung equation na to. So, therefore, ang domain dito, sulat ko na lang dito, ang domain ay x such that x is not equal to positive 3. Okay? So, hindi siya pwede. How about positive 1? Pwede rin naman, no? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. So, dito, hindi lang po pwede yung 3 kasi magiging undefined yung resulting equation natin. So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? And, of course, to find for the range, solve for x. So, meron tayo ditong 3y minus xy equals 2. Ang gagawin natin dito, copy nyo lang to, negative xy. Sinusolve kasi natin yung x, no? So, magiging copy nyo yung positive 2. Si 3y, lipat natin, magiging negative 3y yan. Okay, so may negative sign tayo. Tanggalin natin yan. Pwedeng mag-multiply by negative 1 or mag-divide ng negative 1. So, magiging positive xy na to equals negative 2 plus 3y. Okay, so, para mawala yung y dito, i-divide natin by y. Okay? So, cancel, cancel. Ang resulting equation natin ay x is equal to negative 2 plus 3y over y. Or, pwede mang 3y minus 2 over y. Okay, so dito, ano yung value ng y natin na magiging undefined siya? Of course, 0, right? So, therefore, hindi pwede maging value ang 0 ni y. How about 1? So, pwede naman, no? How about negative numbers? Let's say, negative 2. So, pwede pa rin. Except yung 0, kasi magiging undefined yung equation natin. Okay? Yun yung pinagbabawal. Yun yung restrictions. So, therefore, ang range nito ay y such that y is not equal to 0. Okay? Gets ba? Okay, last example tayo. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Okay, last example, we have y is equal to 4x plus 1 all over x minus 2. Okay, so dito guys, naka-express na siya sa y. So, determine na lang natin kung ano yung restriction o yung dapat na number na magiging undefined to. So, ano ba yon? Which is positive 2, no? Kapag etong denominator natin, na-equate natin by 0, x minus 2 equals 0. Of course, x is equal to positive 2. So, therefore, ang restriction sa atin dito ay positive 2. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. So, magiging undefined siya. So, ang domain natin ay dito ay x such that x is not equal to positive 2. Okay, so pwede ba ang negative numbers? Let's say negative 1, minus 2, negative 3. Pwede rin naman, no? Okay, except 0. Except positive 2. Kasi pag inalaw natin yung positive 2, magiging undefined siya. So, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Okay? So, to solve for the range, solve for x. Okay, ang gagawin natin dito guys, copy lang natin itong equation natin. Y is equal to 4x plus 1 all over x minus 2. So, dito guys, ang gagawin natin, multiply natin by x minus 2. Yan. So, x minus 2. Multiply natin yan. So, ito yung multiply natin dito. X times y is xy minus negative 2 times y is negative 2y equals, ito, multiply mo rito, divide mo rito, or cancel na lang to. We left by 4x plus 4. Sorry, plus 1. Yan. And then, solve natin. So, dito, meron ba kayo napansin? Okay, so, group the related terms. So, xy, si positive 4x, ilipat natin, magiging negative 4x yan. Equals, si negative 2y, magiging positive 2y. Pag nilipat sa kabilang side, so, magiging plus 1. Okay, so, dito guys, meron ba tayo napansin? Since sinusolve natin si x, so, by common monomial factoring, so, this becomes x times y minus 4. Kasi, x times y is xy. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. And then, copy 2y plus 1. So, dito guys, pwede natin i-divide by y minus 4. Sinusolve natin si x. So, y minus 4. Divide all terms by y minus 4. Not only in this side, but also sa kabilang side din, no? So, cancel, cancel. So, ang natira dito guys ay x is equal to, of course, 2y plus 1 all over y minus 4. Okay, so guys, dito, tingin kayo sa resulting equation. Ano ba yung value ng y na magiging undefined yung equation na to? Of course, 4, no? 4 minus 4 equals 0, or y minus 4 equals 0. Yung denominator natin, set natin by equals 0. So, y minus 4 equals 0. And then, negative 4, lipat natin, magiging positive 4. So, dito, hindi natin pinapayagan na maging value ng y ay magiging equal to 4. So, dapat, not equal to 4 ito, guys. Okay? So, ang restrictions natin dito, ang range natin ay y such that y is not equal to 4. Kasi pag magiging 4 to guys, 4 minus 4, 0. So, undefined na yung equation natin. How about negative numbers? Pwede ba? Yes. Let's say negative 1. Negative 1 minus 4, that is equal to negative 5. Okay? So, kung may natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.